Kampung Inggris Babel.
Hello everyone, my name is Sheila. Now I'm your tour guide for your holiday to Yogyakarta. First, the iconic space you can visit in Jogja is Malioboro Street. There's the most famous public space and shopping street. Then the Yogyakarta Place, Keraton, the heart of Japanese culture. Then Mount Merapi, an iconic volcano near the city. Then Obelisk Hills for a popular sunset spots. Then the traditional food you can try is satay, got satay season, simply and grilled with metal skewers. Then bakpia patok, sweet stuff pastry famous Jogja snack. Then oseng mercon, it's a very spicy beef stir fry. Then nasi tiwul, it's a traditional cassava rice. Then brongkas, it's rich beef stew with a black keluak. Then best place to stay is Harper Malioboro Yogyakarta. It's a fantastic service and location near Malioboro, so you can visit Malioboro every night. Then Hotel Tentrem Yogyakarta, one of the most popular 5-star hotel in Yogyakarta with excellent service and elegant design. Then for the last is the Phoenix Hotel Yogyakarta. It's a handwritten collection, classic colonial style luxury right near Malioboro. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Kampung Inggris Babel.